Sally's Crafty Kitchen. I'm a little under the water. We're gonna make something that's easier on our tummy. Cinnamon sugar toast. Butter and butter bread. Use a knife to butter it. Butter. Keep on buttering. Both fingers covered in butter. A little bit of sugar. You want to make sure it's sprinkled all over the top. And we'll just sprinkle it with sugar. And then add some cinnamon to the top. Let the oven to boil to 2 to 3 minutes. Tell the oven around it to cool. My favorite cookie cutter. And then it's time to enjoy. Delicious. Thank you for watching. Hit the like, follow, subscribe. And we're going to see you on Saturday. We'll be keto bread.